Hi, I'm Linda Glover Gooch, and thanks for joining me today in the studio. Today we are going to talk about that fabulous color, blue. You know, I am a cloud painter, so blue plays a big role in the scenes that I do with the skies and sunsets and clouds. Well, if you've studied with me for very long, you know I do have a favorite mixture that I refer to as my air mixture or atmosphere. But I want to explore some other avenues. Um, my thought is to try to get you to explore as well. So we're going to look at a few different mixtures. And what I'm talking about today are the deep blues of the sky, the stormy skies, the clear blue skies, whichever you're painting. We don't always have to fall back on the same formula. We can try different things. So I just have a few mixtures where I was playing and testing, and I want to encourage you to do the same. So let's take a look at these mixtures. We'll talk about it, and then you get to the easel and you work on some color mixing as well. I have added white and ultramarine blue deep with 4 other mixtures: Van Dyke brown, cerulean blue, Sevres blue, ivory black, or indigo. So this is the Van Dyke brown mixture. It's a nice deep blue added to white and ultramarine blue. Here you see cerulean, or what I use is Sevres blue. It's a beautiful violet blue, could make a very dynamic sky color. Ivory black mixed into the white and ultramarine blue deep is a dark, stormy blue. I would use this in a very stormy scene. And then taking indigo and mixing it in to the white and ultramarine blue gives you yet another variation. Now that we've gone over those mixtures, you don't have to use those exact same mixtures, the Van Dyke brown and the blues. You know, you can use phthalo blues with black. You can try some different mixtures, different blues, Prussian blue. It doesn't have to be ultramarine blue. I just happened to use the ultramarine blue with those other mixtures because I wanted to get a comparison as to it and just my white, ultramarine blue, and my alizarin, which is usually typically what I use for the big blue zenith part of the sky, the parts that are way up high in the sky. So I chose that one. Next time I might pick a different blue, dark blue agent, and move out from there. But these are the things that you need to make time for. It's called practice. It's called experimenting. It's called stepping out of your comfort zone, trying different things. So now that we went through all of those, maybe this gives you some ideas. All right, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time.